That means we should, here is difference, that means we should subtract the numbers. Okay, subtract the 3's place value. Place value of 3's. At first we will find out the place values of these two 3's. Okay, that's why it is 3's. This 3's place value of this 3 is 30,000 and this 3 is 30. So we should subtract, because it is difference. Find out the difference. That means we should subtract the numbers or subtract the place values. 0, it is 7, 1 will become 10 minus 1, that is 9, also 1, 10 minus. Here is 10 because we will take from 1 take 1 from here, it is 10. It will be goes as 10. 10 minus 1, that is 9. After that it is also the same 2. So I will tell you the next. How many thousands are there in this number? How many thousand? That means you should write the number in the place value. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. Okay, how many thousands are there? That means thousands place is at the 8. That means 8,000. How many thousands are there in the digit? There in the number. That means 8,000. Because if you put the numbers in the place value on their time, thousands place is at the 8. That's why it is 8,000. I will tell you the next. Number 3, round off. Find the round off to the nearest thousands. 1,000, nearest 1,000. When it is nearest 1,000, on that time I will find out and I will search the hundreds digit, because hundreds place is just before the thousands. If the hundreds place digit is less than 3, it will be goes 5,000. If it is more than 5 or more than 5, it will be goes as 6,000. Here is also nearest to the thousands. That means we should follow the hundreds digit. If hundreds digit is more than 5, 9 is obviously more than 5. That means it will be goes after 3, that is 4. So just after 3 it is 4. So it is 4,000 minus 4,000. Do you understand? If it is 5,360, on that time 3 is less than 5. That's why we should write here 5,360 as 5,000. This one is called the estimate difference. When it is also round off, that is also the same, the estimate difference. If it is 3,940, on that time 1,000 to the nearest to the 1,000, on that time we should follow the hundreds digit. If it is nearest to the 100, on that time we should follow the tens digit. When it is nearest to the 10, on that time we should follow the ones digit. Okay, so when it is nearest to the 1,000, on that time we should follow the digit of 100. So the 100 digit is 9. That means it is more than 5. 9 is greater than 5 or more than 5. That's why it will be goes in the next thousands. Just next thousands or just after 3,000 is 4,000. So we should write here 4,000. 5,000 minus 4,000, it is 1,000. So the estimate difference of these numbers will be 1,000. Next I will tell you what should be added to getting the number? What should be added to getting the number? Suppose it is 7,932. To get 10,000, what should be added? That means, suppose you have 10 chocolates. If you will get, if you want to get 15, on that time you should subtract 10 from 15, it is 5. Do you understand? We should add the number. How much we should add the numbers to get this number? On that time, the getting number is obviously more than this number. So we should subtract the tens or subtract this number from the getting number. Okay, that's why it is 10,000. So we should write here at first 10,000 to subtract this 7,932, because how much we should add it? That means, suppose it is 10, I have 7 chocolates. To get 10 chocolates, how much added? 3. How many added? 3. Because after 7, 8, 9, 10, that's why we should subtract the number from the getting number. From the getting number we should subtract these numbers. Okay, what should be added with these numbers? That's why we should subtract this number from the getting numbers, because getting number obviously the more than these numbers. 8, after that it will be goes as 9. 9 minus 3, that is 6. Also it is 9 minus 9, that is 0. Here also it will be goes as 9, because carry 1 carries in the next left. 10 minus 1, that is 9. 9 minus 7, that is 2. So we should be added 2064 to get the 1000 with 7,932. After that I will tell you the what is predecessor. Suppose it is 1000. Predecessor, that means the before number. Okay, predecessor, that means the before number. Predecessor, that means the just before numbers. If it will be successor, that means it will be the just after numbers. That means if it will be just before number, on that time we should subtract 1. Okay, also it is 99. But also is a different process are there. Minus 1. How many digits? 3 digits, smallest number. If we should subtract 1, that will be goes to the 2-digit greatest number. Why? 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2-digit greatest number. Okay, so it is 99. Suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. Smallest number. That means the predecessor of 7 digits smallest number is 6 digit greatest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 3, 3, 6. If 7 minus 1, that is 6. So 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. And obviously it is the greatest number, because we should subtract. Do you understand? If it is 1, 2, 3, 4 digit, 5-digit smallest number. On that time we should find out the predecessor of 1, 2, 3, 4. Also it is the 4 these zeros are there, so we should write here 4 9 of the predecessor of this 5 digit smallest number. Okay, after that I will tell you the next. From the smallest 6-digit number in 0, 8, 5, 6. In this time 6-digit number, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Yes, that means we should add a 2 digit. Do you understand? If it is smallest number, on that time we should find out which one is the smallest from here. Without 0. Without 0, 5 is the smallest number, so we should write at first 5. After that it is 0, so we should write here 0. I have needed 2 digits, so we should write here 00. After that it is 8 and 6 left, so we should write, if it is smallest, on that time we should write according to the smallest to biggest. Okay, this one is a 6-digit smallest number formed with these digits. Okay, suppose it is 5203. On that time we should write here 4 digits are there, but I have needed 6 digits. From 6 digit, so we should add it plus 2. At first we will write the smallest number from here without 0. It is 2. After that it will be 0. We should add a 2 digit, because 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there, but it will be from 6 digit. So we should write here 00. If it will be 7 digit, so on that time we should write here 1, 2, 3, 4 digits already, but 7 digit, so we should add it 3 digits. On that time, at first smallest digit, after that 0, after that 3 digits needed, so we should write here 000, 1, 2, 3, these 3 zeros. After that I will go the next smallest number, after that the greatest number. Do you understand? Okay, thank you my dear students, thank you so much for watching, but you should revise it, which one already taught so you should revise it properly for your FA3, FA1 and FA2 exam. Also these are the same syllabus of Essay 1, which one you have written 80 marks. Okay, so you should revise it very carefully and properly and practice it regularly. Okay, thank you my dear students, thank you so much.